beautiful people. Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Oluwatosin. If you're a returning subscriber, it's good to have you here once again. Thank you so much for joining. This afternoon, I want to unbox hair products I got from Kio Beauty. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you. This is the package. Yeah, I got it from Kio Beauty. So I'm gonna be unboxing it. It's hair products. Yes. Okay, sit down, you'll see it, okay? Kio Beauty, I think, is an online store, online store where they are selling hair products. So that's what I've got. I've got Mielle, or what do they call it? Yes, this is a shampoo. Yes, this product is a very good product. People have been talking about it, so I need to try it. That's the shampoo. And this one, white growth oil. Yeah, white growth hair oil. So I'm gonna be making some stuff with this. So I've got this one as well, virgin hair fertilizer. As well. And also, this is a big one. So for 8, it's hair products. So for 8, and also this one. This is leave-in conditioner. Mielle or what do how do they call it? And also this is their hair mask. That one too. And also this Do Grow hair fertilizer. Yes, that's what I've got. Yes, that's all I've got here this afternoon to show you guys. Oh, it's already sold. Yeah, very nice products. These 3 products, they're so lovely. So that's what I got this afternoon. I think this is American brand or something. The smell is so nice. It smells so beautiful. It's nice, and this is for 8 or so. You have to be careful of this thing because there are a lot of fake. So, no, thank you. And this one, white growth hair oil, and also virgin hair fertilizer. Yes, that's all I've got here this afternoon. I'm going to be making something special with these 4 products and castor oil. So hair growth something. I'm going to be doing it. So when I'm doing it, I'm going to be showing you guys. So I'm going to be showing you. So that's what I've got here this afternoon, just to show you. If you like my video, what I'm doing here, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.